In the last video, we have installed the mbeddr plugins, and so you have a basic mbeddr system running. Now, to be able to actually compile C code and verify some of the programs, you need additional tools. On Windows, you have to install Cygwin, which gives you that great Linux feeling on Windows, as it says. Essentially, it gives you a GCC, right? A GNU C compiler, which is what you need. On the Mac, you get the GCC compiler if you install Xcode. You can also get it from the App Store, I guess. And there is also a separate, I think, package that has the command line tools that you should probably get. In any case, once you have done that, you can call GCC from the command line. GCC is in the path, right? And this is also how mbeddr calls it. So you should make sure that on your Mac you can call GCC and you get this error message that there are no input files. On Linux, of course, GCC is installed by default. To be able to use the visualizations or diagrams, read-only diagrams, you also need to install graphis. Graphis is another open source tool which is available for various platforms. If you go to the download page, you'll see that there are a bunch of platforms. We currently run, if you go to Mac, we currently run on version 2.31 the development snapshot on Mountain Lion. So you want to install this. To verify that it works, there should be the dot executable available, and it doesn't say anything reasonable, but it is there, right? If you say which dot, it tells you that it is installed. Dot is the graphis renderer, and that's used by our planned UML integration. Finally, to use the verification stuff, if you don't care about the verification stuff, you can stop here. But if you do care about the verification stuff, which is actually pretty cool, you need to install an additional set of tools. First of all, there is new SMV. That is a model checker, symbolic model checker, and I guess the newest version is fine. I don't actually remember which version we have used so far. I think 2.5.3, but I may just be, MPS has 2.5.3 as well. You have to install it on your machine for your platform, and then you can verify it by just running new SMV, and it must be on the path for it to work. The next one is yikes, or however you pronounce it, and we need yikes 1, right? There are two versions, major versions of yikes. They don't necessarily do the same in all cases. You need yikes 1. Install it for your platform, and then again verify that it's there. It seems to be, it doesn't want to do anything. So if you do which yikes, it seems to be available. Finally, and that's an SMT solver. Finally, you need cbmc, which is a bounded model checker for C itself. You can obviously go to the download page and get it for your platform, install it, put it on the path, cbmc. It claims to want a program, and you should do that as well. And once you've done that, you're absolutely ready for using all aspects of mbeddr.